Mm-hmm. And you're going to do this in science? Are you doing this in science?
Yes.
Yes. No, read
Or
aloud. Yes. Read aloud.
in
Read aloud session.
read aloud
Yes. Read
session.
aloud
Read
session.
aloud. Read aloud.
Great, 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 great. Wonderful. Okay, let's wait for the others to join in. By the way, did you get a chance to look at your worksheet which I sent you yesterday?
Yes. No. No.
Okay, so go ahead and look at that as well. Okay, because we are going to do you children have your work English book with you, or do you do it through your PDFs?
English book we have.
Like you have the actual physical book, or do you have a PDF?
We have a actual physical book.
Okay, can you, Umaima, can you show that to me,
I
please?
bring it.
Yeah, thank
Yes.
you.
Me too, Asha.
You also have the book. Mustafa,
We
you,
have
if you
one
have a book,
workbook.
get it, please.
We have one workbook and we have one more book.
Okay.
Yeah. And here. I'll show you.
Umaima, I can't see you, darling.
Yes, 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah.
This is the other book. This is not the workbook.
Okay.
And this is the workbook. We have two books for each.
Okay. 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 Great.
This is the
Manha, are you
workbook.
there, darling? This is the workbook. Okay. Show me the main book also, Umaima. Just open it and show me. I think so. Let me tell you the page also. 1 minute. Huh?
Ma'am, this one?
I think so. It is page. Oh, I can't read the page number. 1 minute. I think so. It's page number 26.
26 1 minute. 26. 25. Oh, 26. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we can see Main Street and all that.
Yes. So we have to do that today. Hi, Manha. Good morning.
Hi, ma'am.
Good morning, Zainab.
So it is not workbook. It is not workbook.
It is the main book, right, Umaima?
Main book, not the
Okay,
workbook.
okay. So we are going to use the main book today. Children, can you all please get your main book of English today?
Not the workbook.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yes. Zainab, you have to open to page number 25. Manha, yes. Mustafa,
You
yes, Manha, you are audible. 25 and 26. Oh, sorry, 26 and 26 and 27. Children, 26 and 27 is what we are going to do today.
Because 25 is the party one.
No, 26 and 27. Yeah. Mustafa, could you find it? I think so. We
Wait,
should
ma'am.
start now, children, because it's already 10:10.
Page
Correct?
number what?
26, Mustafa.
20.
Yes, Manha, correct.
Yes,
Perfect, Manha. I'm going to put that page up for you in your in the share screen as well.
Ma'am, wait. My pencil is broken, so I'm sharpening it.
Yes, go and get it. This one. Can you see it?
Yes. How to get to my home?
Okay, great. So children, we'll just wait for Mustafa and then we'll continue because
How to get to my house?
Zainab, could you find it,
Turn out
darling?
from the school.
Khatija, 1 minute. Don't
Of
read
the
out loud.
school and
Khatija,
turn right.
Khatija, 1 minute, sweetheart. Don't read out loud. Read it in your mind if you want, okay?
Ma'am, wait for me.
Sure, sure, Umema. Zainab, did you find it, darling?
Yes.
Zainab, I can't hear you clearly. Did you find it?
Yes.
Ha, perfect. Just talk a little loudly, huh? Today your volume is a little low, I think. Okay, everybody's there. Quickly give me a thumbs up. All those. Khatija, are you ready? Okay. Manha, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Okay, Zainab is ready. Umaima and Mustafa, has he come back? Mustafa, have you come back? Give me a
Yes.
thumbs up. Mustafa, please lower your screen, darling, so I can see you. Look at how the girls are sitting.
Like this.
Yes, that's much better. That's much better.
My book is at the side.
Okay, no
So I
problem.
have
Umaima,
to
ready? Okay, so now what I want you all to do is everybody please put yourself on unmute and I want us to read this. We have done a bit of this yesterday, right? Something similar we have done yesterday. Now, as one child reads it, I want you to specially look at all the important words. Okay? The words which we have to use while we have to give directions. Okay? Zainab, yes, what do you want to say?
Didn't do the tomorrow.
Ma'am,
No,
where
Zainab, I
are
can't
we?
hear you.
I didn't do the tomorrow one, but I will do it today.
No problem, darling. You can do that yesterday's worksheet today. Okay, so I want us to start. Zainab, would you want to start reading, please?
How to get to my home? Come
No,
up.
Zainab, you have to be little louder. I don't know why, but today your voice is not clear.
How to get to my home? Come up from the school and turn right. Turn the left road.
Take the first road.
Take the
Zainab, first road.
road on the right, which is called
South. South.
South Pole.
South road.
South Road.
Hmm.
You will see
A garage.
a garage on the
Corner. Very good.
corner.
Thank you, Zainab. Khatija, do you want to read point number 3 and 4?
And cross over Primrose
Primrose. No, Primrose.
Primrose walk and keep going straight. You will see a bakery.
Bakery. Hmm.
At the end of the road, you will come to Park Lane, turn left.
Thank you. Manha, do you want to read the 5th point?
Me.
Manha, continue.
Walk down the road for 2 minutes. You will see number 47 on your left. It's a yellow house.
Perfect. Great. Okay. So now, did you see I have underlined few words for you on the screen? Khatija, look in front on the screen. Mustafa. Oh, sorry. So look in front at the screen. I have underlined a few words for you. You have to use these kind of words when you are talking. Umaima, I want you to tell me what is something which you have observed. Mustafa and Umaima, this question is for you. What is one thing special which you have observed about the way this person is telling how to reach house number 47? In every point, that thing is coming. All of you observe. Let me see who is the smart child who can tell me.
Left or right?
Give a chance to Umaima and Mustafa. Keep on observing. There are lots of things which are being done in this activity.
Keep
Mansa,
walking.
1 minute. Let Umaima and Mustafa answer. Then
Keep
I'll give you a chance.
walking.
Keep
Sorry?
walking. Keep
Keep
walking.
walking. Okay, no. Something which is common in every point. Think. Umaima?
Turn right.
Left
No,
and
Rani.
right. Left and right.
Yeah, so if you're giving directions, Zainab, you will have to use that, right? Manha, what do you want to say?
That south road, north road, that.
Yes, which means what? Every point they have used a, what is it called? I'll put it here.
A name.
Corner.
It is called a landmark. Can you see that? I've put it up here.
Landmark. Where?
Landmark. Every line. Like the first line, what is the landmark?
South.
No, in the
South.
first point. No.
School.
School, correct. The landmark is
School.
school. Which means when a person, see, a person is not going to walk while you are talking, right? Yes, children?
Then second is garage.
1 minute, 1 minute. Children, did you understand this? A person is not going to walk while you're talking, right? Maybe he has heard all this, put it in his memory, and then he's going to walk. So he's going to be searching visually for the school. So you have to give a visual landmark, something which can be seen. In the second point, what is it?
Ma'am, are we going to do
Garage.
Garage. But before the garage, what is it? First road on the right. That is very important, correct?
Ma'am,
Right?
are we going to
South
do the
road.
thing?
South road.
Yes, we are going to Khatija. Yeah.
South road.
South road. Perfect, Zainab. Mustafa, why are you so quiet today?
Nothing.
So that South road is also
Park Lane.
sorry,
Park Lane.
Park Lane. Very good. Okay, so you all have your book in front of you. I'm not going to share on the screen, and I have it here with me on my phone. So I'm going to refer to the phone, and you can refer it there.
What we have to do?
I will tell you 1 minute. Now I will tell each one of you to now use the same style. 1 minute. Where is the book? Okay. Now you all have to use the same style of explaining directions. Okay. By using all of these. These words are very important. Okay. So you have to also say things like first, next, then. First take a right. Then go straight.
Before.
Right? Even saying then go straight, and then yesterday, do you remember you all were saying go, keep on going straight. You don't say that, right? How will you say it? You will say go straight till you see a church or you see McDonald's.
Till bakery.
Till bakery.
Till
What?
bakery.
So say some landmark again. Okay?
Flower shop.
Flower shop, whatever. Right? At the flower shop, take a left turn or right turn. No? So understand and think and give me perfect directions. And I want to see who is that child who can use all this knowledge what we have learned yesterday and today and apply it. So I'm going to put up one more map, okay, on the screen. Ready?
Yes.
And yesterday, because it was your first time, I gave everybody 10 points, right? But today,
Yes.
I am going to actually check who is the child who deserves to get 10 points. 1 minute, let me get my map.
There's so many.
So this is what I've sent you yesterday, right? Not this one.
Yes.
So this is my homework, which I do before the class. Okay.
This is so confusing, ma'am.
Yes, that is why I want you to do this, because now you are smart children, big children. You don't need simple, easy things. Khadija, you can do it. Don't
Not
worry.
fair.
Not fair, no, you can do it. I will make it easy for
Not
you.
fair.
Because see, children, in life, you are not going to see if you get a complicated direction to give.
What happened? I hate complicated. I always know which direction. What is this? No. Our homework, ma'am. We are done with this. North, south, east, west. First, I'll solve this. Then I can go easily. No, we will stop. Ashwani ma'am. Ashwani ma'am. Stop.
Screen looks. She left. She joined.
Ashwani ma'am, where are you?
She's right in here.
Mute. You are mute.
You're mute, ma'am.
You are mute. The screen is off.
Okay. I thought you all threw me out of the Zoom classroom because I shared a tough map with you.
No.
No.
Okay, fine. So, all right. So now, children, let us do a small, we will do a small session first. We will discuss this and then I will ask you to talk. Okay?
Yes. Ma'am, first you do this.
Yes, exactly. I will give you an example and then you all can talk. Okay.
Then it's easy.
So all of you, please pay attention and listen to me. So it's easy because there are just 1 and 2 roads, right? And then there's this one. So we have the North Street. Can you see my arrow?
Yes.
So we have the North Street at the top till the main square. So everything is about the main square, right? Main square is very simple. Main square as in the most important square in the on that map, correct?
East is left. Yes.
From where everything every place you can go to, correct? Okay, everybody
Yes.
keep on saying yes because I can't see all of you at one time. Okay, then one side is North Street, other side is South Street, just like our directions. This will obviously be East Street, this will be West Street. Yeah, so these are your 4 main roads, and then you have the primrose. So if you find a big word, break it. PRIM is prim, ROSE is rose, primrose, boulevard. Boulevard. What is it called? Boulevard.
Boulevard.
Okay. It's a very fancy word to say street. Okay. So if you use it, we don't find this in India too much, but in all the foreign countries, you will see boulevard used a lot. It basically means street. So what is the name of this street? Primrose Boulevard. Got it? So we have how many streets? 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4 and 5. Correct?
And there's even a bus station.
Yeah, those are your landmarks. So now what all do we have on this side? Between North Street and East Street, we have hospital, gallery, bakery. We have a pub. What's a pub?
I don't know.
Pub is disco.
Oh.
Okay?
I thought club.
No.
Okay.
A pub is a place where people go and have drinks, and it's a proper hotel. You don't get like food there. You get as a burgers, fries, drinks, and maybe there.
I want to go to the science museum.
Okay, 1 minute. So this is on your East Street. On the west and the north, we have pet shop, department store. What is a department store?
Store to buy things and all.
Correct. So like our Big Bazaar or Star Bazaar or things like that.
But Big Bazaar is gone, right?
Yeah, some places it's still there. Some places it's
Yeah,
called Science
in
Museum.
Grand Central Mall.
Now in the West Street and South Street, there is a park. There is the hotel, a Ritz Hotel. There is Pierre Bistro. Bistro is a coffee shop. Okay.
Oh,
We have a bookshop, we have a clothes shop, and then on this side we have a swimming pool. We have Odeon Cinema. Odeon Cinema you also have in Ghatkopar.
what is Odeon Cinema?
Odeon is the name of the cinema hall. Okay.
Uh,
Then there's a library.
There is a full like a theater.
Correct, it's a theater. A visitor's office, a bus station, gift shop, and aquarium.
aquarium
Okay, perfect. Now,
and
suppose,
bus station.
yes,
I want to
now,
go to aquarium and gift shop.
perfect. So now, if I have to give you, let's say I am at the park, okay?
Hmm.
Okay, and I have to, where should I go? Tell me.
Gallery, art gallery.
Okay, I have to go to the art gallery, okay? Let's say. So how? Now listen carefully. So if I make a mistake, please tell me, huh? Mustafa, why are you showing me an umbrella?
An umbrella?
I can see an umbrella on your screen.
I think I just switched my camera.
Yeah. Okay. So what am I going to say? First, move out of the park onto West Street. Correct? Is that correct?
Correct.
Yes.
Walk straight on West Street towards Main Square. Correct.
Yes.
Keep on going straight till you reach East Street, and you have gone past the town hall. You will find the art gallery on your left side between town hall and bakery. Or you can say you will find the art gallery on your left side next to the bakery or before the bakery. Correct?
I can't see the bakery. It's fully cut. I can't see it because there's a screen right here. So I can't see the bakery fully.
How you can't see, Zainab?
I can see the bakery, but
laptop.
so I can't see this much part.
Why you can't see?
Because she can see us. She can see us.
Oh, okay, 1 minute.
But
Now
I can see us right here.
Now you can see?
I can see, but I can see only this much. I can't see this much because I can see you all.
Okay, no problem. All right. Did you understand? Was I correct in the way I gave directions? Umar,
Yes,
please
yes.
switch on your video. Good morning. Umar?
Or maybe she could start from.
Okay, so now let us start. Let me see how many marks you get. Are you ready, people?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yes.
I am going to start with Manha.
Mama.
Manha, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, where are you, Manha? Where are you? Okay, so let me get my pen. Okay, great. Or I'll just put a text box now. Okay, so Manha, I want you, so Manha, you are now at the art gallery, okay, here,
Yes.
and I want you to go to the aquarium.
Aquarium. Okay. Where is aquarium?
Aquarium is right here, this place. Can you all see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Go straight till East Street.
Sorry, 1 minute. How do you delete this thing?
Just press somewhere. Just press anywhere,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah, okay, thanks. Okay, first go.
First go East
street.
Hmm?
Where is your pen?
Here. No, I'm not going to draw because there are too many. Okay, what I'll do is I'll draw and then every time I will erase it before the next child talks.
Okay.
Okay, first go on East Street. Yeah.
And go straight till square, main square.
Very good. Hmm.
Take a 1 minute. Take a left
Very good. Take a left on.
on South Street.
Very good. Huh?
You can see swimming pool. After swimming pool, there is a aquarium.
No. Where is the aquarium? It's here.
Go. Take a left
Correct. Take a left.
till gift shop.
No, gift shop is this. Manha. If you go to gift shop, you would have already crossed the aquarium.
Okay. Go straight.
Huh? And you will see the aquarium on your
Right side.
no, on your this is the left, darling.
Left side.
Perfect. Manha, that was fantastic. Fantastic. I'm going to put the marks here. Let me. Oh, how do I? I'm so bad at this. Umaima,
we can't do
can you
it
please do
again.
this for me?
We can't do it again because I'll try 1 minute.
Can you do
No.
this?
Ma'am, you have to delete that because I am on a phone and I can't do.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So I'll just give Manha. I'm giving you 9 because there is always scope for improvement. Okay. So can I not go back to that same text box again?
No,
Children?
ma'am. You have no, ma'am. You have to delete everything. Then you can go. Ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes. Now you can do it.
Okay, so children, what I'll do is I'm just going to write down the points here and each of you have to write down those points in your notebook so you will remember. So Manha, these 9 points are for you. Okay, Manha, well done. Fantastic. So I'm going to get my eraser and get this off. Okay, next is going to be Umar. Are you ready, Umar?
Yes.
Perfect. So did you understand? You have to use all these words: first, next, last, past. You have to say a landmark in every sentence. So now, Umar, you are at the aquarium. And from the aquarium, I want you to go to the pet shop because you feel like buying a pet. You want to buy a pet for yourself. So here is the pet shop.
Where is the pet shop?
Here it is.
Oh.
You are here and you want to go here.
Okay. Okay.
1 minute, Umar. Let me just turn on your video. Yeah, now I can see you, Umar. Yeah, tell me, Umar.
First, get out of the aquarium. Then.
No, you have to go to the street. You have to on which street? Primrose Boulevard.
Primrose Boulevard.
Boulevard.
Boulevard. 1 minute. Take a right.
On what?
Now take a right to South Street.
Very good.
Go straight.
Hmm.
Go straight. To the North Street. To the North Street.
Past the
North
Main
Street.
square.
Main
South
square. So
Street.
don't forget that, Umar. Then
Then take a left.
okay, but what do we have to say? You have these two landmarks, very important.
Take a left to
Huh?
the
No, we don't want to
landmark.
go to department store.
Take a left. What will you use, Umar? Take a left after.
Take a left after
Department store.
the department store.
Very good. Did you understand now, Umar? Don't let go of these landmarks, because suppose I have just reached here and you say take a left. I'll take a left here only at the Science Museum. Right? So instead you have to tell me take a left, go past the Science Museum and the department store, and then take a left at the pet shop. Got it, Umar? Umar, did you understand? Where are you,
Yes.
How
Umar?
many points?
Okay. So Umar, I think we still need to work on the directions and remember the landmarks. Okay. So I'm giving you 8 points for your effort. Very good. Good job. So we all have to become very good at this.
See, 9, 8. 9, 8 count.
9, 8. Yes. And these points are you're getting out of 10, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
let's see. Okay. Next, I want Khatija. Are you ready? Okay, Umaima. Umaima.
yeah.
Fine. Umaima, we are at the pet shop, darling. And I want you to go to the cinema.
Woohoo! Okay.
Now.
Come out of the pet shop.
Hmm.
Go straight till the main square. Go straight till the South Street.
On the South Street, not till.
On the South Street,
And this you've forgotten?
and pass the main square.
Very good. Excellent.
But now go to the street Premium Rose Boulevard.
Primrose.
Primrose Boulevard,
Hmm.
and take a left,
Hmm.
and then pass the aquarium. Ma'am, where is the cinema? Which shop do we have to go in?
Here.
But how can we go
Yeah. So now what will you say?
over
If-
there?
Now use your brain, Umaima. We have reached here. अपने को यहाँ जाना. Tell me how.
Okay. So can we go over this white line?
Yes, you will
At the
have to.
side?
But,
No,
but
no.
how will you tell him? This is your landmark. How do you use
Okay.
this?
Go inside the gift shop. And straight you can see the Odeon Cinema.
So the Odeon Cinema is what? I want one word. It is dash the gift shop.
It is behind the gift shop.
Fantastic. So you don't need to say go inside the gift shop. And on your left, you will see Odeon Cinema behind the gift
On
shop.
your left, you will see Odeon Cinema behind the gift shop.
Fantastic. Good job. Umaima, for your efforts, I'm giving you 9. Good girl. Fantastic. Okay, who's ready?
Me.
Don't say me. Please tell me your name.
Khadija.
Khatija. Okay. Khatija is ready.
After Khadija, Mustafa Khalil, right?
Okay. After Khatija is Mustafa. Fine. Okay. So, Khatija, we are at Odeon Cinema. Okay. And
Okay.
I want you to go and buy me a book.
For your classes. Bookshop.
Yes.
bookshop.
So Khadija,
So
where is it?
first
Where is the bookshop?
over it is over here.
Correct. Perfect. Here means here actually.
Right?
Okay. Go on. Tell me, Khadija.
Okay. First you get out from the cinnamon store
Cinnamon nahi, cinema.
and cinema store, and then you pass the gift shop and the aquarium,
Hmm.
and then you go and pass the aquarium too. Go straight,
Hmm. Go straight on which
and
street?
then on Premium Boulder.
Primrose
Period.
Boulevard.
Primrose Boulevard,
Hmm.
and then you take a right.
Don't forget your landmarks. There are 2 more landmarks.
Pass
Hmm.
the clothes shop and the best store.
Pierre Bistro. Bistro.
Bistro,
Hmm.
and then you go right,
Hmm.
and then on your right there's the bookshop
Which is behind
Which-
the
behind the bistro.
bistro. Perfect. Well
Bistro.
done, sweetheart. I'm giving you an 8, sweetheart. Well done. Do not forget the landmarks. Okay? Good girl. Fantastic. Let me get my eraser. Mustafa, are you ready?
everybody.
Yes.
everybody.
Yes.
It's only 9 and 8.
9 and 8. Because I am being strict. I don't want you all to get a straight 10. Okay? Okay. Mustafa, are you ready? After Mustafa is Zainab. Okay? Wait, let me see where is Mustafa. I can't see his face. If I can't see his face, yeah. Who said ma'am?
Manha.
Manha. Yes, Manha.
There are 5 children only.
Yes, today both Musfira have not joined, and yeah, Ali is joining now. Okay.
Ali left.
Rose
Ali left. Ali was. I saw that Ali left. Ali left. So like that. So
Okay,
he
Ali,
left.
are you there?
Now
Ali,
he
can you
joined.
see us?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, great. Mustafa, where are you?
Yes.
Mustafa? Yeah. So Mustafa, we are at the bookshop, and I want you to take me to the bakery because I'm very hungry.
Yes.
Can you see the bakery?
Yes, I can.
Great. So go on. Start.
it's so. Get out of the bookshop
Mm-hmm.
to the Primrose Boulevard.
Very good.
Take a right.
Take a.
No, left.
Mm.
Then again take a left to
On.
South Street.
Correct.
Then go straight to the main square. Take right. Then to the main. Pass to the main square. Then go to the East Street. Go straight to the East Street. Take right. Pass at art gallery. Take no left. Take left.
Where should I take a left?
the art gallery.
Past
Then
the art gallery, right?
past the art gallery.
Otherwise, I just took a left at the art gallery and I'll go and ask the art gallery fellow, hello, can you give me some pastries?
Mhm.
That will be wrong, correct?
Then
Okay.
they will
Yes.
make in a picture and give you.
Yes, correct. That's smart, Zainab. Very good. So don't forget your landmarks. Go past the town hall, go past the art gallery, and then
Yes,
come to the picture.
then behind the art gallery, you will see
Behind?
the
No, no, not behind. What word will you use, Mustafa?
what?
Next to. Because if you say
Next to
behind, it will be here.
next to the bakery. I mean, next to the
Art
art gallery
is the
is the bakery.
fantastic. Well done. So, Mustafa, this is for you. Good job there. Fantastic. Okay, Zainab, darling, are you ready? Zainab?
Yes.
Yeah, you're ready, beta?
Yes.
Okay. And Ali, you are after Zainab.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes, Khatija?
You said we're also going to do the yellow one activity.
Yellow what?
The yellow, I'll show you. This one.
Yeah, so we read it in the beginning, right? So I wanted to give you a more complicated map. And
No,
then
I mean this one. This one.
I can't see, Khatija.
This
That's
one.
the same one, Khadija. That's in the book.
That's in the book, right? So the
Yeah.
next page, the page number 27 is going to be your home assignment. Okay, for which we are preparing now. Okay, Khatija, can I go on? Perfect.
Yes.
So Zainab, your chance. Are you ready, darling?
Yes.
So we are at the bakery and now I feel like going and sleeping for some time at my hotel.
Where's the hotel, ma'am?
Find it, go on and see it. Can you see it?
Rita's hotel.
Rita's nahi, Ritz.
Ritz hotel.
Ritz Hotel, correct. So this is your hotel, Zainab. Oh my God, the whole thing is moving. Why is the whole thing moving?
Earthquake came. Earthquake came.
Earthquake happened, right? Okay, so Zainab, this is our hotel. Ready?
Yes.
Start.
You are in the cafeteria. Go to the right. Right.
First, what do we do first?
First, remove.
No, come out of the
Come out of the
bakery.
bakery shop. Then pass the east
Correct.
street. Come in the past the main square.
Very good.
Take a right.
Right.
No. Take a left.
It's in the straight. Go to West Street.
Go to West Street.
So go straight on West Street
Go straight in West Street
and
go in the right.
right is this, sweetie.
Go in the left.
Go to the left. We never go in the left.
Go to the left. Go to the left and go more to the left.
And you are at the hotel. Correct? Okay, one more thing I would like to tell you before I give the marks to Zainab. Whenever you are turning, when we see go to the left, go to the right, it has to be on a road. If you're turning into a place, you never say go to the left. Once I've reached here, 1 minute, let me just get my example. Okay. So, okay, so suppose I have reached till here. I cannot say go to the left now. Now I should say your hotel is on your left. On your left. What will you say, Zainab?
On your left.
Perfect. So well done there. And we get 8. Zainab, we have to work on right and left, huh, sweetie? Good job. Look at my 8. It is looking so ugly. Oh God, I can't write with the arrow, with the cursor. Okay, good
I
job there.
can't also.
I know how you can write it.
You know how you can write. Okay. Ali, are you there, sweetheart?
Yes, I am here.
Where is Ali? Yeah. Ali, your chance now, okay?
Yes.
Ali, so we are here at the hotel. And I want you, sorry, I'm having a cough. So I want you to take me to the hospital.
Hospital.
Where is the hospital?
Go straight. Ma'am.
Beta, Ali, remember what all the others were saying? First, start with the first, come out of.
First, come out of the hotel
Correct.
and go right. More right.
No, don't wait for the cursor. Huh.
Pass the now street.
No, past nahi. We have to go on. This is the North Street. No, Ali, you are not
On
there.
the now street.
No, North
On
nahi,
the
beta.
North
North.
North street.
Past kaise? This is the North Street.
Who's the near? Go to the.
Khatija, 1 minute. Huh. Yeah.
Go on to North street.
Go on to. So how will I go on to North Street? What will you ask me to do? I will have to turn, right?
On to the North street.
Yeah, but I have to turn. Which direction should I turn?
Right.
Right? Right
Go
is
right
where?
to the north.
This is
Left,
right.
left.
Don't forget. Go left on North Street, okay?
Go straight. Go straight.
Huh?
And in your right, you will get hospital. On your right, you will.
And you have to remember to use the landmark, Ali. So you have to say go straight past the Science Museum and the department store. And on your right, you will see the hospital. Perfect. Good job, Ali. Very nice. So,
Who is? Musfira Sayyad came, but she turned her name into Manib Sayyad.
okay, Musfira Sayyad, are you there? Can you hear me? I don't think she can. Okay, no problem. Did you all understand what you have to do? So Zainab and Ali, you have to work on right and left. And all of you need to remember, when do we say turn right? When we are actually on a road. But when we are near the land, when we are near the place where we have to go right or on your right. Okay. Now give me a moment. I want to just,
board.
we have already reached
And you're
the,
scribbling the board.
sorry?
You're scribbling the board.
I know. Yeah. Okay. Give me a moment. I want to show you the, how do I stop this? Okay. All right. I want to show you your homework real quick. Okay. Children, you all have the book in front of you.
Yes.
Yeah. So this part, page number 27 is your homework. Use the street map on page 26. Start at the school and follow these directions. They have given you the directions and then they are asking you, where are you? So that you have to write over here. Got it? Yes or no? Children, please talk. Did you understand? I don't nod. I can't see you nodding.
Yes.
I didn't understand.
Who didn't understand? Who?
Ali.
Ali, this is page 27 of your book, darling. Your textbook, English textbook.
What do you want to do in this?
So read there is a map on the previous page. Let me show you the previous page, Ali. Ali, because you joined late, that's why you're not understanding. I am going to put this on. So this is the map. Follow this map, and these are the questions. So you have to do A and B. Okay, only A and B. In the first one, they have given you the direction. You have to just write down where are you. In the second one, you have to write down the directions. Sorry, Umaima.
So we can't do C.
If you want, you can do C, no problem. Okay, but A and B, you have to do compulsory. Okay, did you all understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So this you have to do right in your book. You don't have to do it on a separate paper, etc. So you have to do this, and you have to do your treasure map. You have to do yesterday's chota sa. Okay, all right, children.
Ma'am,
Yes, Zainab.
can I inform something?
Notebook.
Sorry, Zainab, what did you say?
I want to inform you something that
Yes.
Are you ready with?
Are you ready? Give. Sorry,
Hi,
ma'am.
Satya ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good now. Is the class over, ma'am?
Yeah, it is over. Sorry, I've overshot today.
No, that's absolutely fine. So I just wanted to inform you all that are you ready with all the materials for ice cream making? Please show me
They
thumbs
are.
up.
Yes.
Wow, I'm so happy for.
No. I have to tell my mom.
Go quickly. Okay, go quickly.
Materials.
Inform your mommy and be ready at 11 o'clock. Okay?
Perfect. Thank you, children. Choose. Bye. Stay
Choose,
safe.
ma'am. Choose.
Choose.
Yes. Choose. My cuties are wonderful, actually. Bye, Umaima. We'll meet at 11 o'clock. My cuties are really wonderful. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, Mustafa. I want to see you at 11 o'clock. Mustafa, you have all the materials, right?
Yes. I have right in front of me. Bye.
Good. I'm so happy. Bye-bye, Manha. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Umaima.